Yemano manchu moliri on Ndizi TV and on sia sobe than go wakirambu ya kerende to tengera Ndizi TV ne roban smosi na negro chara gre chingo kore tera mungana mayebu na ndete wateka iminaisiko ya Gusii no kuboli kwa nagendera ko toligere kyaire ne station ya kore tere mirobelio hasumon weke Gusii na okomanya ndete wateka iminaisiko ya Gusii abune chingongo ye chense ili anyimo jasugusu amo na bosongo na mange handa korekana iminaisiko ya Gusii ase county ya Nyamira monogeri webunge yoni gateruna obwaga chibu ya assembly ni obochikoendera no nyime chando kero meke ase county ya Nyamira boigo nigo turoche murai bwe osomo konyi bu murai bwense rigatika shawa nigo bono egerire serikali ya Kenya Kwanza buna nigegenda kubeke mirobelio yo kwenekina obogima ngoira na bole obuya ase aba Kenya ase ense yitu ya Kenya boige mbule nyinge nende kwenekiwa gotu asiensemo ao asa menyi bali banyare bagwakwa no mochano bwe nyinge banyare bakuburia serikali kubeke mirobelio yo kubakonya ende banyare bakonganya kurwa sensemeyo gose mirobelio ndebekwe bakonywe ndagera amone mirobelio nde asichinsemo ao na kwari ndi mwanchu mulelia obe nainje go Ikomi rumanye ayo mona mange na kwari ndi somo ga sobo no kolinde nyirage koragensa ya mona lojika nyora ayo mona mange kini ko konyare dera senjira yoko ya juda Joshua Auta ne rora sensemeli yo mona bemanyelio abigari nyanja mane kibna go chira sirio gyamo ne chibicha eriane Brighton Makori. News digital by sensemo ya YouTube na bago tanyora Ndizi TV News okonyora chinga kina bago tweet at Ndizi TV News boy kerenga likia ogetumi gwetera se number ira se skini gora bu boy gontora sensemo ye website www.ndizitv.net abona otonyora senjera yobo kerente tonya cha korwa se county ya Nyamira asebono monogeri bwebunge ye county ya Nyamira eno kokera nyare ka abuna obwagachi bwenyomba gose county assembly ya Nyamira nigo bagendrete asade abuna no nyeme chando kero meke nigo bagendrete gosuguma kwene kibuna imiroberiyo singucheri ikirana ase enseme korengane nigatebuna inyombe yo nige koira chibese gose nigo chikoira angechi million million 378 million endo bwagachi omunyarbo koera ase county ya Nyamira omolikityo mangi naenda otobwateringane yo kolendo totomeire kengese munangaki omonogerio yo nyaraka okwana nikitaseni kya Ndizi TV
binga ntobugate ebirengerie biye building ye tutobugata eye bugate chi office chia ba MC baito bon CP omo speaker ne chi staff chetu kuna mwese kule building ye is a very big building EPQ yale okora nyombeye yarose tuku 2018 yale koira 378 million ikiaro isekoleria extension yawo jaskai korokwe canopy nkia gwete keta bugatani ligochia senyomba ekaira matuka mange abantu bali ba NCA ba National Construction Authority korwa a clean bill gose enyomba mbuyere endere kwaga ajogerete ikikugwera abantu tukanyoranga enyomba mbuyere ase report ba ta the recommendation egento kia gwete ne balcony etalenga attached ne building ekaire miaka ebere nyombe yeta igokorerwe gas ese kia nyoletu njaika gwakanu tukacha gwakanu October na asabete extension a committee eri aba engineer tenete building ye both from public works na abaito be assembly mbanda te kolingoli barolenga matuko kibara momente goike nyombe yaire utatigalende kuna toroche ntoigo chikwande financial yende totaraba
aba Kenya nigo banyarire bagosegetwa na koborigwa koba maiso anene ekero bakugura endemero ase baborigwa na banyara bakubwata machiko na maragu ali abekire ase wisara yendemero ekogere bikorwe binge nigo byaberwa na omonto na bokora endemero kolende kwanyarwa nigo kwangainwa yerabune bese ya gosira na gosoha ase bina au asense ya Kenya ka okwana ase county ya Mombasa mu bisomonene bwekyombegeriyo korwani bokurumi EACC Talib Balaka nigo bonanyarega kobori na nerebuya amachiko kobwatwa asibugate ne serikali wetera ase kyombekyo nigendete koliga chindemero kiranyore cheiretwe mamincha nelichiko.
A ruling was given on June 2022, that is last year, by the Environmental Land Court. And there was a consolidated judgment that all these 3 pieces of land should revert back to the Ministry of Housing. The houses are they are old, and along with other estates, they are due for redevelopment with what we call the modern high-rise building. Low-cost houses will come. That is what we've heard from the owner of this land, that is the Ministry of Housing. The ESCC has managed to go after land that belongs to Kenya Airport Authority, which was set aside for the expansion of the Moi International Airport, worth about 2.5 billion shillings. So government houses for civil servants belonging to Kenya Revenue Authority, we have also filed that one with a current market value of about 360 million. And we also have 5 parcels of land, Your Excellency, from the former from the Kenya Broadcasting Corporation, that is KBC, worth about 150 million. We also have some road reserve that were excised from Machakos Road in Mombasa, worth 21 million, and a parcel of land worth 100 million grabbed from the Postal Corporation of Kenya in Mombasa by a senior county official. The Commission expects the following: that members of the public to remain vigilant, avoiding being duped into buying property that have been acquired in
Lituko lia rero koba lituko lia abarubi gose World Visualist Day nikobono serikali ya boliwe kubike merubilio ya bene anene gosira abarubi ase ense ya Kenya asichinsemo aho anene bali bakora oborubyo bikaho kwa nase county Mombasa asumurubyo yo orego chengerwa nikobono omosubati bets nkanchi oyoro mu bisekuru ase kyombe kyabarubi ase county Mombasa yathena abarubi mbatakire konyorwa na gosirwa elina barabo banyare bakwegendereria asoborubi bwabo asense ya Kenya.
For our fishing communities where economic activities take place. Therefore, it is our responsibility to ensure that these spots become symbols of dignity, respect, and fairness for all those involved in the fishing sector. In focusing on fisheries subsector, we acknowledge challenges faced by the fishing communities. Fishing ports serve as safe harbors, offering a reliable and well-equipped facilities for fishermen to dock their vessels, store their equipment, and conduct essential maintenance and also replenish provisions. This not only enhances the operational efficiencies and also minimizes the risk faced by our skilled individuals in their endeavors. These ports serve as vital hubs for processing and marketing of fisheries products. Our fishermen require facilities for handling, sorting, storing their catches before transportation to markets. Well-designed fishing ports accommodate processing centers, cold storage facilities, and infrastructure that adds value to the product, fostering economic growth and creating opportunities within our communities. The fishing port acts as a focal point for trade and commerce, functioning also as a marketing place where fishermen can directly engage with local buyers, traders, and processors. Also, the fishing port contributes immensely on the socio-economic integration among the fishing communities. The fishing ports often attract
Sensemo ya ye mugabana bwe county ya Lamu isatinami nere niganyarire kako boli buna abarubi mbatakire basirwe ase oborimi asoborubi bwabo ekyagere inerenjire mana burwa kwegendera korengane nigadena abarubi abange nigo babeire bakoba nemejande menge kero bagotebi buna mbabwati bese korende baise gosirwa baranyora kibese bakobeka asome buko yabo na gosira kiamati cyabo najo jikwegendera bigo mugabana bwe county ya Mombasa shalu nasinere nanyara kago togi ege tambokere ikyo aseboigo atogire wisara ya blue economy asoko bwatese chi county na kogenderia emerobiri awo yogosirana kimagendero asense ya Kenya.
Kutilia nguvu haki za wavuvi. Hiyo ni muhimu ili wale wavuvi na familia zao wapate kuboresha maisha yao. Sisi kule kwetu Lamu kuna msemo kuwa wavuvi ile rasilimali yao ni unga. Yani zile pesa wanapata zatosha tu kununua unga. Na lazima wabadilishe mambo hayo.
The Ministry of Blue Economy nawapatia kongole, na pengine itakuwa ni funzo kwa wizara nyingine pia, waweze kujua ya kuwa hawawezi kufanya kazi in isolation. Ni lazima waweze kujua ya kuwa kuna na serikali za county, wakitaka kufanya jambo, hawa Kenya ni wetu sote. Kuna wale ambao hawakunipigia mimi wakampigia rais, kuna wale walimpigia rais na wakanipigia na mimi pia, na kuna wale ambao waliamua ya kuwa kutopiga kura kabisa, lakini wote ni wetu. So kando na mambo ya siasa, ni lazima tuweze kufanya kazi, na naweza kutoa ushahidi katika wizara ambazo zina heshimu na zinathamini ugatuzi na kuweza kufanya kazi ni wizara ya uchumi samawati.
Asensemo ya mugavana bwe county ya Siaya James Orengo inero ikirana asomo yugo yubogo chengera litugo lya fisheries ya se county Mombasa nene gateruna oboremi bwe Chinswe na barombata kire kwegwa libaga linene bosirwe buno oboremi bonde bwense asense ya Kenya nigate abuna abane baise go sirwa buna ogo sirwa ko simeki bwe bimeri awo na bense ya Kenya egosukwa kurwe kirenge kemago chekende asokwenyorera ligesa linene asense meli yoborubwe bwe Chinswe asense ya Kenya niga yakwa na ya se county Mombasa nere kirekirana asomo roberio yo asate abune county ya Siaya nero nigebwa teme roberio emia asogosira abarubi be Chinswe ase ensemeyo.
Mimi ningeomba sana tuwapatie wavuvi nguvu, kwa sababu mambo ya ukulima tumejaribu, lakini the economy of the future, na Mwenyezi Mungu ametupatia a big coastline, Great Lakes. Kuna nchi zingine ambao ni nchi kubwa sana lakini hawana water bodies hata moja. Lakini Kenya tuna bahati ya kwamba wakati ambapo ukulima haifanyi vizuri sana, the blue economy can play a very, very big role. So mwanzo ni wavuvi. Tukianza na wavuvi tunaweza kufaulu. Hata kabla kujaribu kupata investors, wale wavuvi ambao wamefanya kazi hii kutoka karne za zamani, hao ndio nataka wapate nguvu. Na mimi ningeomba kwamba kuna exchange program na training, wavuvi wa Mombasa wakuje kule Nyanza waone vile wavuvi wa ziwa wanafanya kazi, na wale wa kutoka Siaya pia waje huku kutoka Homa Bay, kutoka Turkana, ili tupate experience pamoja na kwa minajili ya kujenga the blue economy.
Waziri wa mining, blue economy and marine affairs ni gobono nere anyarika gusigita nene bari bakora oborubi kwene kibuna ngoso abare asebyombe ao ekeratebune serikali ya Kenya Kwanza niyo abekire meroberio yo kwene kibuna ngosirere bari bakora oboremi ao ane bari bakora oboremi bwe Chinswe asi abekire chibesensemo ni meroberio gosi project ao jijigo chigo chakiwa State County ao asekirenga kyokogendereria na kubasira bari bakora oboremi ao ase ense ya Kenya nena sensemeyo yoborubi
ambao hawajaingia kwa chama cha ushirika. Wakati ni sasa ndio tupate nafasi ya kuhakikisha tunawajenga uwezo, na pia tupate nafasi ya kuwaunganisha na taasisi ambayo wanaweza kuwafadhili kwa mambo ya vifaa. Ile mbinu nyingine muhimu ni kufanya mambo mawili. Kwanza tuwe na bandari ndogo ya wavuvi, alafu tuwe na bandari zingine kubwa ya uwekezaji. Na ndio maana kwa sehemu hii ya ufuo wa bahari sasa tunaekeza kutengeneza bandari za wavuvi.
Mubunge Omoro Kimani Kuria ni gobono abolirio kubwaterana nebyombe ao irigo kinia amagendero nebirengo bya uchumi ase ense ya Kenya gakoya kwana ase county Mombasa anekero aikirana asigikaro kiabaretamo egosigikaro kia emerongo ene kiabareta amo ababwatani kurwa sikyombegerikia Institute of Certified Public Accounts of Kenya ICBAK ni gobona teno kubwatera na barabwo ni okora kini ebirengo o bya uchumi ase ense ya Kenya
used to, but ones that has serious engagement of how to grow our country. It clearly demonstrates what you and His Excellency the President continuously tell us, that yours is a government of continuous engagement. So please allow us today to tire you with big names like cash versus accrual accounting, like financial, like AFRS this and that, because that's what we do most of the time, apart from me when I'm not in the village. Your Excellency, the Institute of Certified Public Accountants have played a very critical role in legislation in this country. Every time we have had whichever bill, and we've called out for public participation, the first people to give us their views is always the Institute. You will find the Insurance Act now has a contribution of ISPAC.
Pwana nere asigikare kyo ase county ya Mombasa mokonyi bomurai bwenzeri katika shawa nere nigamo chidie abarai babo mabwasi miuro moja nene bali bakomoche serikali asogotoikirani amaganio y'abakenya kero uchumi agendete kego konga kwana nigaboli buna ine batike gwakana edeni elikenye bwate endobogima borobe gose barasangireli ebango barakana madeni elinde bintu by'ukoroba kujasa matuko halebosio
can do to manage our public debt. And what we agreed under the leadership of President William Ruto is that we found ourselves in a hole. And what you do if you're an intelligent person, when you find yourself in a hole, you first stop digging and figure out how to get out. And that is exactly what we have done. Tightening revenue collection, sealing leakages, making sure that every cent is collected to pay public debt. All those people who are criticizing President William Ruto, they need to be honest. Are they telling the president and the government not to honor the debts that we found? These are debts for the Republic of Kenya. Although they were not committed by the present administration, they were debts committed by the government of the Republic of Kenya then. You as accountants, as business people, you know, in simple bookkeeping, the assets and liabilities. We inherited the assets. State House, my office, vehicles. Fair enough. What about the
omokonyi ose omorikyo botambe ase wisara yegisemi berio kibsang ngobona nyareka otabuna amajibu yegeras kiatano gatoto aliba akora matemu ngarajigo sokyu magatutaraso ase Christmas use abantu batarali Christmas korenganere ngadena yenere njire ya mamatemu ayu osama chibu ayu arasokyu elinda Bible banyare bakwebanga ase umwaka goja bamayenga yabana babo barangiri osinga ibara baira sikuru asokubeka chibese ensemo boigona kwandira igoro yamakongu awao alegandete wetanana ministry yo anenekera matemu agendrete asadere kolende mirobeni gebekire yabene kwerekona matemu ya kirasi 12 ngoko kagosengo erale buya asiskuru awao asinsemo awao imeyense ya Kenya asobotutukano boke bwene kiwe korekana kolende ngadebona ayo onse aligereliwe ase oboime.
Important thing, because our schools are opening in January, is to make sure that they know the places they will have been placed in good time, so that they can prepare, the parents can prepare in school fees and all the other things.
Oroboti orubono korwa sumuri kibotambe bweji wisarwe gisembelo gipsang nongo ikomwero mangana itamaye Chinsa Ikomi kolende odena genda gotobwati asemirubirito ya Ndizi TV mirubiri mianso kana kuna yago semiri ande yakoire omogo koruga igasikita senikiao kya Ndizi TV na mbe ya mokeri bwanjete asika kerebo singo joroso asensemeli ye chingero yongo odena genda kubwati mirubirito nero Ndizi TV obwanso usike koragense yama yabano ayo mana mangro jukanyora buna endete gwateka ime na isiko ya usiku gotaina agenda kubwatia Ndizi TV ne robansu musi egarutwa bwaterana Joshua Auta oyorenge asense merio monwe manyerio abigari nyanja mwana kuna maliogine chibicha gocheire asenjira ya bene nako yaletera gocha sore ninje Brighton Makori gotaina twaro burirubiya nyasaye gakongajana ya gwanjire tumerane angyo asomoroberio bwensakia